Welcome back to KTN Prime. Many thanks for staying with us on the broadcast. In sports tonight, the High Court has ordered a retrial for former rugby stars Alex Olaba and Frank Wanyama, who were convicted of gang rape. In the ruling, Justice Ngenya Macharia has stated that there was a lack of evidence regarding the swearing of one of the witnesses. The judge further quashed a 15-year jail term and ordered the two to be taken to Kilimani Police Station. They should take plea afresh before July 7th. A retrial means the case will return to a lower court for a second or further trial on the same issues with the same parties. Kakamega Homeboys goalkeeper Geoffrey Oputi is just but one example of many underprivileged youngsters who have decided to make money off their skills. Motivated by his tough upbringing, Oputi has now become a real estate investor, doubling up as a farmer whose main wish is to make ends meet. Our Ahmed Bahaj tells us more.
Goalkeeper Geoffrey Oputi has been the embodiment of Kakamega Homeboys in 2020. With a remarkable form, the custodian has amassed 18 clean sheets that enabled Homeboys to finish second in the KPL League, 7 points behind leaders Gor Mahia. The king of clean sheets, his new nickname.
Nilienjoy sana hiyo moment, nilienjoy sana, at least nilingangana, nikapita through, at least nikaanza kupata playing time. Juu ukiangalia hao goalkeepers wote watatu ni international, na ni goalkeeper wale wanaweza cheza kwa any level.
He later joined Vihiga United in 2016, and his consistency lured Kakamega tactician Nicholas Muyoti to sign him in 2018. He has now proved to be a solid and integral part of the final line of defense for the Green Commandos.
Ukiangalia akona zile clean sheet uwanjani, na wakati anakuwa uwanjani, mimi kama kamanda najua tunavuna alama.
With a massive 10 years football experience on the pitch, the keeper has extended his exploits off the field of play to the real estate business and some farming.
Apart from football, kuna side hustle mufanya. Kutengeza hizi blocks, kutengeza na at least naziuza, napata extra coin. Ukiangalia pia apart from kupata extra coin, kuna hiyo at least nime create job.
Coming from a tough upbringing and hardships in his childhood, Oputi's football career has improved his family's financial circumstances to a great extent.
Ametujengea nyumba ndio hii. Bado hata yeye anataka ajenge nyumba yake na tunashukuru.
Pia nafanya mambo na farming, nafuga kuku. Niko na vitu mingi nimefuga.
Kakamega Homeboys missed the KPL title by a whisker in the just concluded KPL season, and a title might spice their campaign next season.
At least nilikuwa nataka hiyo Champions League, hiyo Africa Champions League nilikuwa natamani sana, at least ningeipiga. Ndio maana yani tulikuwa tunaiwakia sana this season.
What makes Geoffrey Oputi so special is that he is a living example that hard work pays.